The AVL DiTEST VAS 581009A is suitable for standard CO2 bottles with integrated riser tube. Only use refrigerant quality approved by Volkswagen. To start up the device, you will need 2 wrenches, 14 and 26 mm, and a CO2 cylinder. Set up the air conditioning service device in a suitable location and apply the brakes. Remove the device cover and take the box containing the accessories out of the device. Open the box and remove the accessories. Place the test weight in the holder provided next to the oil bottles. Connect the unit to the mains and switch it on. The user interface can be operated via the touch display or via 5 buttons. After switching on, the unit will guide you through the initial startup wizard. Follow the instructions. Select the language and check the date. You can then enter your workshop data. Enter the nominal bottle capacity and tare weight and confirm each entry. You will be prompted to register your device. This is done via the AVL DiTEST customer portal, My DiTEST. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code displayed directly with your smartphone. Once registration is complete, the activation code will be displayed on your smartphone. Release the transport lock and confirm the process. The scale will now perform a 0 calibration. Prepare the refrigerant cylinder. Fit the cylinder adapter with the corresponding seal. When prompted, take the cylinder and place it on the scale. Secure the cylinder with the strap. Connect the hose and confirm. Do not open the valve until prompted to do so. After an automatic restart, the device is ready for use. We wish you a successful operation with your new VAS 581009A air conditioning service device.